Hi, this is Jeff Dean from Bookkeeping Life. Well, we're at the mid-year point and you've been growing your client base. But now what? When you're first starting out, every client's important, and it's important to continue to build a trusting relationship. Remember, to them, you are the expert. Here are some mid-year goals to consider to keep growing your bookkeeping business. First, strengthen your client relationship. Implement a client feedback system that regularly gathers their feedback, perhaps through a survey or an informal check-in, to understand their needs and satisfaction levels. Work on enhancing your communication. Develop a clear, consistent communication schedule, providing regular updates on financial matters. And be proactive in addressing client concerns. Don't wait for problems to escalate, and address the potential issues and offer the solution. Work on enhancing your efficiency. Improve the workflow, identify repetitive tasks that can be automated, and save time to increase productivity. Consider implementing new systems or procedures to enhance the data integrity. Number 3, expand your services. Explore offering value-added services like financial reporting and analysis, cash flow management, or even an advisory service to become their trusted advisor. Number 4 is business development and growth. Optimize your online presence, ensure your website and social media profiles are professional, informative, and showcase your expertise. Also, implement a referral program and encourage your existing clients to refer new business to you by offering incentives and discounts. And now that you have a few clients, you can refine that target market. Focus on attracting the right clients who align with your expertise and desired service model. Number 5 is professional development. Pursue certifications or trainings. Invest in courses to enhance your skills and knowledge in relevant areas. Attend workshops or conferences and network with peers and stay updated on the industry trends and best practices. Focus on improving your communication, both active listening and problem-solving skills, to build rapport and trust with your clients. By setting clear mid-year goals, bookkeepers can enhance their skills, improve their client relationships, and drive the success of their business. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. New content like this will be coming out on a regular basis. And don't forget to go to BookkeepingLife.com and sign up for our mailing list. We send out tips and tricks and industry knowledge like this video on a regular basis. And as a gift for signing up, we'll send you our Bookkeepers Roadmap to building a business. This is intended to kickstart your bookkeeping journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Bookkeeping Life, we train people to learn, start, and grow their own bookkeeping business to give them the freedom, the flexibility, and independence they're seeking.